You have to put your whole into getting a shot. You learn to love it. I absolutely love what I do. A lot of my inspiration comes from places. Most of my work is just finding a different way, a new way to capture the incredible natural world around us, all around the world. As a content creator, there's absolutely creative blocks that happen because you're really expected to churn out content every single day. The reality is that what does well on social media isn't necessarily the most creative. Isolation has made me actually think about creativity again. I think I found more beauty in what's close by. There's so much I can do here and be inspired by that I didn't even realize before. Having reliable gear could not be more crucial or important. I put myself in the most insane scenarios when I'm taking self-portraits. I have put my Canon camera through the absolute paces. Today, I was in the ocean getting pummeled by really cold waves, and I need to know that if I'm gonna put myself in those situations that the camera's gonna get the shot. The R6 can do anything you need it to. When I just wanted to snap a shot of a location that I had just gotten to, when I wanted to set it up for self-portrait work, when I wanted to take a quick video clip, whatever I needed it to do, it could do it well. The features I need on a camera are very, very specific. The interval timer that Canon has, I can shoot as many images as I want. Autofocus settings, when I'm not there to focus the camera myself, I am off in the frame somewhere out in the wild. So important. The number one thing was the incredible skin tones and how good those images process right out of camera. And that's one of the main reasons I switched over to Canon in the first place years ago, was because not all gear is equal in terms of being able to take self-portraits. Most of the time I'm living out of one camera bag and one carry-on suitcase. So the fact that the body is small and that the lenses seem fairly small too, the entire system works together to be very easy for travel photography, which is so important to me. You really have to be doing it because you absolutely love what you create. There are going to be times when it is so hard, and all you can do is just keep working through it and know that eventually you're gonna get to where you wanna go. You get that rewarding feeling when you get that shot you really wanted, and you realize that it's worth doing whatever it takes to get it.